I love rain. I love everything about the rain. I love the water droplets, the clouds, the thunder, and the puddles. It is cloudy today. The wind is blowing through the trees. I am standing in the garden with my pet rabbit, Roger. And then it begins to rain suddenly. At first, the drops are tiny, but soon they grow bigger. Rachel, where are you, dear? And then she sees me from the window. So, you both are enjoying the rain. Let me join in also. Mum and I dance in the rain. It is so much fun. Roger goes and hides under a bush. Our neighbour, Mr. and Mrs. Phillip, wave at us. We wave back. After about an hour, the rain stops. Mom, why did the rain stop? If it does not stop, then you will never go inside. I do go inside, though sadly. It was the most thrilling experience of my life.